today I'm showing you how I cook delicious egusi soup without frying the egusi. My friends, I'm Chioma and welcome to my kitchen. If you love a rich and tasty Nigerian egusi soup but you don't want to fry your egusi first, then you definitely want to try this method. First, I will prepare all my ingredients and get ready for cooking, and these are the list of ingredients we'll be using to make our delicious egusi soup. We have a ground crayfish, grated onions, pepper, ground pepper, meat, stockfish or poroko, pomo, salt and seasoning cube, palm oil, and lastly our ugu vegetable leaf. In a clean pot on fire with water, add in your properly washed okporoko or stockfish, cover and allow to cook for some minutes. After some minutes, I uncovered the pot. I went in with my meat stock, added my properly washed pomo, my cooked and seasoned meat, grated onions, pepper, seasoning cubes, salt, my ground crayfish, stirred together so that everything can combine well. Please be generous while adding your crayfish because it takes the taste of the soup to another level. And the best part about this method is that it's simple, easy to follow, and you don't need to fry the egusi before adding it to the soup. And if you have another way of preparing egusi soup, share it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And after stirring, then I went in with palm oil, added my ground egusi and covered the pot and allowed to cook for some minutes. At this point, my kitchen is already smelling amazing, and honestly, Nigerian soups just have a way of making you look forward to mealtime. After some minutes, uncover the pot and stir together very well. And while stirring, I discovered my soup is very thick, so I added a little water, stirred together and covered to simmer for some minutes. While the soup is cooking, let's proceed to cut our vegetable, and for this recipe we are making use of ugu leaf. I personally love meals that are simple to prepare but still taste like you spent hours in the kitchen, and this is one of those recipes I would happily make again and again. After cutting my vegetable, I checked on my soup, uncovered the pot, add in my remaining ground crayfish and stirred together. Then I added my cut vegetables and stirred together properly. Sometimes all you need is good food and peace of mind, and this is your sign to make something delicious today. Just look at how delicious this turned out. You can enjoy it with your favorite swallow, whether it's eba, fufu, semo, pounded yam, or any swallow you love. And if you've been searching for an easy way to cook egusi soup without frying it, give this method a try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me in the comments, do you prefer your egusi soup fried or without frying? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next delicious recipe.